are pleased to show you the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, HD radio, satellite radio, ventilated front seats, auxiliary audio input, premium sound system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.